Hello, welcome back to campustech. Today I have 16 Pro Max for its screen replacement. Although the touch screen is working, but you can see the glass is broken on the top. So let's take out the bottom screws. You need a pentalobe screwdriver to remove those. So there are a couple of screws. So you need this soft knife plier, or let's put some glue around the corners. So here is a blade. So this is a sharpened edge blade, so I'm just using to pull up the screen on the from the body. So just push a little bit down and a little bit, then lift up. So be careful because it's sharp object, so it can be harmful for yourself. So be careful while you're doing anything with the sharp object. So I'm just targeting on the right corner, lower corner screen part. So I'm just trying to detach from the body or from the one side, and then I will use the soft plier. Yeah, so look at this, I'm just using the soft knife, and look at this, go all the way down to remove the glue, and after that do with the other side of the screen. So that's the same kind of same screen for the 16 Pro Maxes. So just lift up from the upper side, you'll see as only you'll find these two connector on this is the 16 Pro Max. So let's make sure the touch is working before shutdown. So let's turn it off. So this is now turned off. So let's use take out this screw by using Y screwdriver. There are a couple of screws on one top, one bottom. Look at this. So the both are done. I need this plastic thing to disconnect the connector from the motherboard. So after this you'll see nothing. This is the main IC thing, so be careful with that. Look at this screen only has this one sensor, so just put rubbing alcohol here, and after putting rubbing alcohol we need again Y screw. There is only one screw, Y screwdriver, there is only one screw you'll find on the screen. So after this put something underneath this thing, so be careful because it's very it's kind of paper thin. So just gently push down, and then after that you can just easily see from the edges, just remove and detach from the screen, and just keep going until you just find the other connector, the bottom part of the connector with the sensor. You'll see there is only one sensor. Just remove this thing, you'll see this is the one sensor. Here's a new screen, so I ordered it. Let's take out from the box. So by the way, this is uncut video, so maybe you'll find some more detail in this thing. You'll see this is the inside screen. So just put this sensor back, make sure you properly align there. Here is a metal piece, and I need the Y screw, so just put this metal piece right there. Here we go. So as you can see, this is on the place. So now I need to put it back, because that's one of the easiest repair. So let's connect the top one, the sensor part, make sure it's properly clicked, and this is the main connector which has glass and display together. So let's put this thing. It's giving me a little hard time, not that much. So now it's connected, make sure it's properly clicked. I said again, and use this metal plate for the top. So you need to place properly. Again, you need a Y screwdriver to put this screw back, and here's the final metal piece, which is from the other side, the bottom side, or you can see the middle connector. So put properly in the place, put the screw. So that's how you can easily disconnect the screen. Again, let's turn on, and it's showing the Apple logo. And this is a kind of easy repair. So just put on the edges, make sure it's properly aligned, just press from the bottom and then the middle. so it will go itself very easily. So if you like that video, thumbs up, and just before end the video, make sure the touch is working and is properly functional. So if you like that video, please thumbs up, and if you want me to fix any other phone, let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video. Thanks.